Hi guys, we're gonna be making a necklace and a set of earring. We're gonna be recreating another one of these because I went ahead and did like half of the process. Like I already did this, and we're gonna need to make the link. We're gonna be needing one ice pin, and it's rose gold, and we're gonna be needing a base. We're gonna put it like so. We're gonna be using the loop tool 1.5. We're gonna be putting it to the hole all the way to the end. And I'm gonna make the loop in the same direction of this one. You can make it the opposite one if you want, but I'm making it that way. And I'm going to be needing another one. And I'm making the necklace 16 inches. And you're going to be attaching these two links to the assistant one. And you're gonna be adding this. And you can just close it. Make sure that you close it really good so the link won't come out. Then you go to the other side and attach it. Make sure that the links are closed good. And with this one, with this nose ring, you're gonna close it good. Make sure it is good. Close together like that. And we're gonna be adding the clasps in a second. But for the earring, we're going to be using 24 gauge wire, and I'm using 20 centimeter, and I'm going to need 5 of the beads. And what we're going to do is we're going to be putting 4 of the beads like this, and then you make sure they're in the middle, and then you're gonna have the 5th one, and then you're going to cross the wire and then you're gonna be bringing it down like this. And once you have it like that, it's just the same size. Once you have it like that, you're going to bring it up and tie it like this. And then I'm gonna continue twisting the rest of the wire. like so. And with the nose plier, you're going to be putting it in the center, leaving a little bit behind, all the way to the back. And move it. And then you're going to be like that. I'm gonna move it on this side. Then you're gonna wrap around a couple of times. And then you're gonna cut it in the back on the size that you want to be the back. Like this. And you can make sure the wire is hidden in the back. And here we go, we have this. Now we're ready to finish the set. Okay, so now we're gonna attach the clasps to the end with a jump ring. This case is a 6mm jump ring. Put it to the end and attach the clasps. Close it really good. Then you're gonna take another jump ring, attach it to the other end, close it really good. Now we have our necklace done. And for the earrings, we are going to be, for the earrings, we are going to be using 2 more 6mm jump ring. You can use 4 if you want. I don't have any at this moment, so I'm gonna be using this one. Make sure that this is properly closed. And we're gonna be doing the same thing to the other one. In this case, I'm using stud, but you can use the wire. If you use the wire, you can actually put it directly. Let me see if I can show you how. Like if you decide to do a wire like this one, you just have to open and make sure this goes to the back. And you just close it like this and it will look like that. But I want it to be a stud, so I'm gonna be changing it. So let's just do the wire and make sure the back goes to the back. Pick it through. Close it really good. here we go. We have our set done. With a complete set, and thank you. We'll see you on the next one.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.